What's up, YouTube? Another video out dove hunting. Gonna do a little differently today. Talk a little bit about the setup, what went into this hunt to make it successful. But it's gonna be a solo hunt. Gonna have a lot of fun. I can shoot 15 doves. The gun for the day, the Browning Satori. Love this gun. I have a modified full. Make it a little bit more of a challenge. I'm really gonna go and try to shoot 100% today. Not gonna miss. That's my goal. I'm gonna be shooting the XX by Winchester 410. Pretty much that's all I got right now. So one thing that really has helped us is using a Mojo decoy. Got two of them again. Basically I'm putting them about 20-25 yards out. I love dove poppers, dove skewers. Everything's good with doves, so let's get to it. Talked enough. I'm ready to shoot some doves. Make it happen. Ready to rock and roll. Here we go. Got the first one of the day. The old 410. Well, we got one. Oh, right here. That is 2 for 2. Got him. That was a further shot. 3 for 3. I'm gonna go grab those right away. 3 for 3 so far. Take that. We got doves flying again. Let's keep going. Loaded 4 for 4. Five for 5. Love this 410. And it doesn't miss. Perfect. Here we go. One coming in. I said that squirrel's going to us, so don't worry about it. Got him. That would be 6 for 6. Let's go. Sweet. It's been fun so far. I mean, if I shoot a limit, I shoot a limit. If I don't, I'm going to try to, but it's been fun. Just to hang out, be in God's creation. Nothing better. Back in the seat. Got him. That was a lot further shot. 7 for 7. Behind me. For all those guys that you didn't hit them, nope, I did. Boston Bartholow, there you go. All right. Here we go. Got him. Sorry, gang, that was from behind us, but do what you gotta do. Speed. All right. Oh, it got windy again. Let's keep it going. I think that was number 9. See if I can get this perfect streak continued all the way through. Let's go. Uh-oh. Not gonna lie, that took me 2 shots. Like I said, he took 2 shots to take down, but did get him. I'm gonna change my blind just a little bit. Looks like some of these birds are kind of coming in from behind, up over the hill. The wind shifted, so let's make a quick change with the blind and be ready for the next. Here we go. Got him. Look at that. Tips. Gosh, what kind of tips can I give you guys? Don't miss and you'll have a great day in the field. But really, make sure you have enough lead on these birds. Make sure you got enough lead. If you don't, you'll shoot behind them every time. There you are. There we go. We are just, it's been on fire so far. The grocery store's been good. 12 empties right here. I have 11 birds. Pretty good. There's a lot of birds flying around right now. Another one. Oh. The bow jar just a little bit. That seemed to really help. Well, I have one more left. So, I've got it loaded. All I need is a bird to come into range. One man defending the country he loves.
One man alone, betrayed by the country he loves. One man alone.
Stop saying that.
Betrayed by the country he loves.
Oh my goodness, I'm in the car, okay? You're not alone.
It's been a lot of fun with this 410 so far. A lot of fun. Got him! Woohoo! Yeah! Yes! Did it. 15 with 16 shots on the doves with the 410. That was fun. Now they're all flying everywhere. Probably from me yelling. That was exciting though. Let's go grab that bird. That was cool. What an accomplishment though. It's not every day that somebody can say they shot 15 doves with 16 shots. I guess unless you're Matt Bartholow, then you can say that's a normal occurrence. But that's cool. Ching. Now I got the long journey back to the truck. That was awesome. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it today. I had a lot of fun shooting the 410, so if you like the stuff, please follow, like, share. I really appreciate all the support. Good luck in the field and happy hunting.